Hello, Jimmy McFedrin here, one of the co-founders of Elfworks. I'm about to show you our newly designed advice and research feature on our platform. This has been crafted with feedback from you, the membership base. So thanks for everyone who's actually fed back ideas. Keep the ideas coming. It obviously makes the product better. So it starts here. How can Elfworks help? So this is where you set your preferences. You then attach it to a client if you wish to attach the query to a client. And then you input your question. It can be complex, it can be simple, and then we start the process. Except now what Elfworks does, it cleans out any sensitive client information, individual names, entity names, TFNs, ABNs, and then we run it through the LLMs. This is where the Elfworks process kicks off. So you have 4 LLMs working first by themselves and then in unison, all looking at databases filled with legislation, case law, and ATO public releases, comparing it back to private rulings, then reading each other's answers, having a bit of an argument, and then finally coming up with some consensus views and some alternative views. Now what you can now do is you can actually iterate from here. So you can refine your question. You can even use the answer to ask a new question with that answer as the background. This is all requests from their membership base. And once you're happy with the output, what you can do is turn it into a file note, an email, a private ruling application. You can then export it into a PDF, into a Word document, and here you have the final. So I just showed you a relatively complex question. If you've got a simple query, you use the same interface, except the process is different. We don't allocate as many LLM resources to that simple query, and it means you burn less tokens. One of the key bits of feedback we've received from you. So thanks again, everyone feeding back their suggestions on the platform. We'll keep working hard on the platform our end, and please keep enjoying Elfworks.